for Education. Easily designed presentations, reports, worksheets, posters, and anything. Over 60,000 templates, millions of beautiful colors. Share templates for assignments published in any format. Register free today. Canva for Education. Hey there! To use Canva for free, just register to Canva Educational. How to register? Just go to Google and search Canva Education. After that, just proceed to Canva for Education free graphic design tool for schools. Then click Register Now for free. And click Sign Up with Email. Don't forget to use your school email to register. Here is the example. fntc.edu.ph is the school email of National Teachers College. And here it is. You are now good to go. You did it! You are now registered to Canva Educational. Don't forget to like and subscribe at Nurture Together. Thanks for watching!